Before removing the fan, it is important that the power is turned off and you unplug the fan. Loosen the nuts holding the fan in place. Once the nuts are loose, turn the fan motor counterclockwise and remove it. If you ever need to take off your fan wheel, what you're going to need is a 1/4 inch wrench to loosen off the set screw. Pull off the fan wheel and that will give you access to the shaft. If you ever do need to clean out your fan wheel, this is the best time to do it. Take either a flat screwdriver or a small scraper and scrape off any creosote or a gunk that would have built up on your fan wheel. This is important because if you get too much buildup on your fan wheel, it can make it out of balance and not work properly. After your fan is clean, put the fan wheel back on the shaft, reattach it with the 1/4 inch set screw. Using a scraper or flat screwdriver, clean off any buildup off the inside and outside of the fins. Insert the fan wheel back into place on the bolts and then turn clockwise. Tighten the nuts, plug the fan in, and return power to your furnace.